Hey guys, so today in this video, I'm going to show you guys a car parking multiplayer modded version for 2026. So as you can see, the money's low, the days are long, but press the button, activate the coins, activate the money. So I'm going to turn it up all the way and let's see if this goes up. And then I'm going to show you guys how to download this onto your device. So as you can see guys, this is really bad honestly, but hopefully it does start to increase. And then I'm going to show you guys how to download this modded version onto your phone. So, oh my gosh, it works. Look at that. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this 2026. So let's get straight into the tutorial and I'm going to show you guys how to get the modded version. So the first thing we're going to do is go to the browser and just go to this website, guys, which is tweakmod.com. So once you're on the tweakmod, just type in car parking multiplayer, press install, and before it downloads, it's going to be verification. So you just have to download 2 apps, follow the instructions. It's 100% for free from official app store. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. So let's just wait for this to load here, as you can see. So I'm just going to give it a second to load up. All right, so yeah, if you guys like car parking multiplayer, you're going to love this because it actually works, guys. Unlimited money. Bro, who would have thought? All right, so here we go, guys. As you can see, it's loading right now. So it's going to say like missing files or something. So you just want to download some of these apps. So as you can see, it says missing files. So you just pick 2 of the apps. We got Travel Town, Tap to Win, all this stuff. So just press on it, press continue. Takes me to the app store. And then play it and you're done. So peace out, guys. Hope you enjoyed. But like for this one, I just play it to level 10 or whatever. So yeah, I've always looked for methods and stuff like that. But you know, this is real and it actually works. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel. This is super awesome, guys. And it totally works for all devices. So if you guys are poor in this game, you are going to love this. It actually is ready for you. So be sure to try it out, guys. It's super awesome. So I'm going to see you guys in another video. But yeah, I mean, can you really go wrong with a car parking multiplayer mod? So let's go to the App Store and type in car parking multiplayer just to show you guys it is super expensive. So I'm just going to type it in. So here's the game. You don't need the game installed. This is a separate modded version. But as you can see, it's super expensive. So if you guys want to buy it, that's up to you. But chances are, if you're watching this video, you're more involved in the modded community. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, be sure to subscribe. Get the word out, guys. This is super cool. 2026 tutorial actually works. So be sure to try it out. I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, if you guys need money on car parking multiplayer, you know where to find me. The modded scene. So yeah, get the word out, my crew. This is so crazy and it actually works. So peace out. Peace be with you. But yeah, this is super cool, guys. Free money in car parking multiplayer. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel. This is super cool. Totally works. So if this video works for you guys, be sure to go ahead and share it. I'm going to see you guys in another one. But yeah, get the word out, guys. This is so crazy. And it's fully updated. So peace out, guys. I hope you found it useful. Haven't had any problems with it at all. So I'm going to see you guys in another video. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel, guys, because this is so crazy. And it's updated and everything. So peace out, guys. But yeah, this is super cool. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. But yeah, I haven't had any problems with it at all. So I'm going to see you guys in another video. So be sure to subscribe to the channel, brothers. This is so fun. And no one can stop you. There's no jailbreaking. So it's great. So peace out, my squadron. This is awesome.